Here is another one, and instead of it being Earth, it's more of like a galaxy. So again, I feel like this would be so fun in a kid's bedroom because it is a nightlight. So it's pretty much the same thing in the sense that it comes with like this little kind of stand, and again, you just piece them together. It's super easy to piece together, and then you just pop it in. So I love the way it looks. It's such a statement piece. It's so cool looking. So with this, again, it's from that same store, the Himalayan Glow store. So with this, again, all you have to do is there's like this little plug right there. So it comes with a little charger. You just pop this in, and I usually just use my little my iPhone charger, and I just put that in there and charge it up. So it does have a long lasting battery, which is awesome. So usually 3 hours to fully charge, and then 4 to 12 hours of use. So if you are using this as like a child's true nightlight in their bedroom, just charge it during the day, and then it will last all night, which is awesome. So really cool looking. I love all the colors in this. It's very realistic. I love all the little stars. So I just absolutely love that. Again, very fun statement piece.